Silver light on a quiet street, footsteps rising in a steady beat, colors shining in the morning air, voices calm moving with care. Shoulders lifted, heads held high, patterns flowing as they pass by. Every step a promise made, every rhythm carefully laid. Side by side in the turning day, moving forward in a proud display. Hearts aligned in a timeless way, as the bright flags sway. Whoa, whoa. Echoes roll through the open square, old traditions carry there. Lines of purpose bold and clear, steady calm replacing fear. Stories woven through every stride, strength in numbers, step and glide. Shadows shifting as they move on, like a memory nearly gone.